Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna fix an issue of the game Palworld. So the heater of Palworld is not working, and in this video we're gonna fix it. And before moving further, I want to clarify one thing, that in this video we're gonna talk about only the heaters, not about the furnace. But if you want a video on furnace, then make sure to comment below. So there are two types of heaters in Palworld, the basic heater and the electric heater. The basic heater unlocks at level 17. It requires 5 flame organ, 20 ingot and 10 charcoal to build a basic heater. If this heater is not working, then make sure to check the fuel supply of the heater, because the lack of fuel is the only reason why it stopped working. The fuel for the basic heater are coal and charcoal. The second type of heater is electric heater. It unlocks at level 41 and it requires 10 flame organ, 30 ingot, 30 refined ingot and 10 circuit board for the crafting of electric heater. If the electric heater is not working, then first of all check the assigned pal. Check whether the assigned pal is working or not, because the electric heater requires a constant attention of pals. Also make sure to assign a pal which is suitable for this. The another reason why it stopped working is because of a bug. Many players has reported a problem that there is a bug, and because of it the electric heater is not working, and this issue can be only fixed by the developers of the game. So keep updating your game, and till then you have to wait. So I hope this video helped you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit our website from the link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.